you have played professionally, এটা কিন্তু not only this management but পাইপলাইনে যারা নিচে আছে they can start dreaming. এবার আমার মনে পড়ে না যে আমি যখন থেকে আসছি এতগুলো বাংলাদেশি ম্যানেজমেন্ট নিয়ে বাংলাদেশ টিম খেলছে এবং এই টপ নচ টিমের সাথে জিতছে, and the way you respect these guys, the mutual respect, the professional what you have shown was amazing. Thank you once again on behalf of the whole local management.
We saw that we are actually improving. Every department, day by day, we are improving. But if you want to
Editing
become
by
a very
Sheikh
good
Sahib.
ball beaters, I believe that you guys can reach top 4 easy. 10 series win, back-to-back 4 series win, and especially last 7 months, what I saw, like we are playing proper wicket and we are doing so well. All the bowlers, batsmen. I know, like Salu bhai already told today meeting time, like we are realizing, like after we get out, we are realizing we should play a little bit more.
This your energy level was so standard, so high level. Big left and ball. And now I want to go straight. I won the medal. Nazmul Shanto. Now prize for movement. Three guys, like they were in the boundary line. One ball went to the legs on side. They moved to the inner circle. One ball to the offside. They moved to the inner circle. I would like to request to Nafiz Iqbal and Taha Junaid, please give them prize. Tanvir. Whoa, what? Shombo and Tanjit Tommy. You give it to Tanvir, please. Well done. Very good. Big clap. Come on, guys. Come on, big stuff. Hey, well done. Fantastic. Thank you guys.
I move men all the time. একটা বলা যায় না।
যদি আমরা আসলে ওয়ার্ল্ড কাপ খেলার যদি ওইরকম চ্যাম্পিয়ন হওয়ার যোগ্য হই, তাহলে আমাদের আরো ভালো হওয়া উচিত। ভালো বলতে ওদের 5টা উইকেট যাওয়ার পরেও দেখলাম ওরা 2জন রান করছে, 60-70 রানে ওরা